Hey guys, today we're diving into the world of travel essentials and tackling something us beauty lovers can all appreciate: the perfect toiletry pouch. A good toiletry pouch is like a trusty sidekick. It keeps your makeup, skincare, and toiletries organized, spill-proof, and easily accessible, whether you're jet-setting across the globe or enjoying a weekend getaway. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Fear not, fabulous friends. I've scoured the web and tested some amazing pouches to bring you the top 5 ladies' toiletry pouches in 2024. Number 5. Moonster Hanging Toiletry Bag for Women. This is a great option for women. It is made from genuine buffalo leather and has a distressed rustic finish that will stand the test of time. The bag is spacious enough to hold all of your toiletries, and it has a variety of compartments to help you keep everything organized. It also has a hanging hook so you can easily hang it up in the bathroom or shower. Here are some things to consider before you buy a toiletry bag. Size. Consider how much you typically pack and how much space you have in your luggage. Material. Leather is a durable option, but it can also be more expensive. Nylon is a lighter and more affordable option, but it may not be as durable. Compartments. Do you need a lot of compartments to keep your toiletries organized? Hanging hook. This can be a handy feature, especially if you are staying in a hotel with limited bathroom counter space. Water-resistant lining. This can help to protect your toiletries from spills. Number 4. Kipling Luggage Women's Agot Toiletry Bag. This is a great option for those looking for a well-organized and lightweight toiletry bag. It is made from water-resistant nylon and features 2 zipped main compartments, a zipped front pocket, an interior mesh pocket, and interior slip pockets. The bag also has a side carry handle for easy portability. Here are some of the key features of the Kipling Luggage Women's Agot Toiletry Bag. Made from water-resistant nylon, 2 zipped main compartments for organized storage, interior mesh pocket for secure, breathable storage, interior slip pockets for organization, side carry handle for easy portability. Lightweight design. Overall, the Kipling Luggage Women's Agot Toiletry Bag is a stylish and functional option for travelers who want to keep their toiletries organized and protected. Number 3. Makeup Bag Floral Cotton Bag Large Travel Toiletry Bag. You've described a very cute and functional toiletry bag. It sounds like it would be perfect for storing all of your makeup essentials, toiletries, or even craft supplies. Here's a breakdown of the features you mentioned. Material: floral cotton. This makes the bag soft, comfortable to the touch, and easy to care for. Size: large. This means it can hold a lot of stuff. Perfect for travel or if you just have a lot of makeup. Style: quilted cosmetic pouch. Quilting adds a touch of elegance and can also help to protect your makeup from getting crushed. Color: cherry. Cherry red is a classic and stylish color that will go with anything. Functionality: multifunction storage bag. Number 2. Bumkins Travel Bag Toiletry TSA-approved pouch. The bags are made of a wipeable material that is easy to clean, and they are a great way to organize your toiletries, baby supplies, makeup, or any other small items. The clear sides of the bags make it easy to see what's inside, so you can quickly find what you need. Here are some of the features of the Bumkins Travel Bag. Set of 3 different sized pouches, clear-sided so you can see what's in the bag. Secure zippered closure. Large bag measures 9.5 by 8.5. Medium bag measures 9x7. Small bag measures 9x5. TSA compliant asterisk. Asterisk meets TSA requirement. Size limit of 1 quart, 57.8 cubic inches. Made from wipeable material. Easy to clean. Great for travel or everyday use. Number 1. Conair Travel Makeup Bag, Large Toiletry and Cosmetic Bag. It appears Conair doesn't manufacture a travel makeup bag specifically, but they do offer a large toiletry and cosmetic bag, which might be suitable for your needs. Here are some other features to consider when choosing a travel makeup bag. Size: make sure the bag is large enough to hold all of your makeup and toiletries. Compartments: look for a bag with compartments to help you keep your items organized. Water resistance: a water-resistant bag will help to protect your belongings from spills. Durability: Choose a bag that is made from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of travel. No matter which pouch you choose, remember, a well-organized toiletry bag is a travel essential that will keep you feeling fresh and confident on the go. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which pouch caught your eye. Also, if you have any travel essentials you love, share them in the comments. I'm always on the lookout for new favorites. Thanks for watching and happy travels.